Taking turns, not a lesson learned. Who'd imagined I would crash and burn? But you got